Your grandparents' living room had a piece of furniture in the corner that weighed as much as a small refrigerator. Inside was a sealed glass tube, most of the air sucked out, with a gun at the back, firing invisible particles at nearly the speed of light. Those particles slammed into a screen coated in chemicals that glowed wherever they hit. That glow, swept back and forth in tight lines faster than your eye could track, was the picture. Every cartoon, every news broadcast, every grainy home video for almost 100 years existed because of this one trick. Scientists stumbled onto it by accident in the 1850s, watching a strange green light crawl across a glass tube pumped nearly empty of air. It took decades of argument before anyone figured out the glow was actually a beam of particles smaller than atoms, the first subatomic particle anyone had ever identified. But engineers realized the beam could do something else: steer it with precision. Sweep it dozens of times a second, and you could paint an entire picture out of light. By the 1920s and 30s, that idea had become the television set, making every earlier mechanical attempt at moving pictures look like a toy. For the next 7 decades, this technology was almost impossible to escape. Sitting in living rooms, doctors' offices, and control rooms, measuring electrical signals in labs with a precision scientists trusted above almost any other instrument. Manufacturers spent decades making the screens bigger and sharper, while the basic design underneath, a gun, a vacuum, a magnetic steering system, never changed. Then, in less than 10 years, it was gone. Flat panels arrived, a fraction of the depth and weight, needing no heavy glass tube to dictate the shape of the device. Factories that had built these tubes for generations shut down almost overnight. 100 years of engineering vanished from store shelves in the time it takes a child to grow up.